day today at
Water Country, USA.
in Williamsburg, Virginia.
One of our favorite water parks.
It really is. And we've just finished Colossal Curl.
Our wake-up call.
It is first thing in the morning. It's the best time to do it.
Pro tip.
Pro tip, that's
Get
right.
here at opening. The park opens about 10 minutes early. Go ahead and get in line for Colossal Curl, and you ain't gotta wait throughout the day. And it's gonna be cold, but you already got it over with, and you ain't gotta wait.
Yep, and then the rest of the park will open. You can go find your seats, all that good stuff. But we've had plenty of videos out here before. We can take the GoPro on a couple of slides, on some of the ones, not the body slides, which we don't do many of those anyway, but we'll take the GoPro with us, do a few slides, show you around. Nitro Racers opens back up last fall, or well, I take that back, last August when we were here and we come to do the Riptide Race.
It was closed down.
Yep, and that's Tyler's favorite. Nitro Racers.
It's an old one, but it's my favorite.
It's the little mat slides where you race, you got several lanes racing. They actually gave past members this, well, for yesterday and today, since it was opening back up.
Exclusive ride time for it till 2 o'clock. So you got till 2 o'clock to lose.
You're gonna lose.
No.
See, you hadn't ridden it in a while.
No.
So you're gonna lose. No. But yes, that was great of them. So thank you, Water Country, for giving your past members that. We also got some $10 splash bucks today.
Not splash bucks.
So anyway, I'll also take you, we'll do some on-ride footage with the GoPro, and I'll just do a walk around the park as well. So if you're planning a trip here to Water Country, you'll know where to go. Yep. But be sure and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff as well. We share a lot of stuff on there.
TikTok.
So a lot of stories and everything when we're on the trip. Yep. So be sure and follow us, and let's go start our day. We have made our way back here to Hubba Hubba Highway. That's usually the next thing we do after we ride Colossal Curl, and it is a little bit of a walk back here, but we usually finish up our day by floating around the Hubba Hubba Highway for a while, so it just makes sense for us to come back here and put our stuff back here in these chairs. And usually if you come early in the morning, you can get whichever seats you want, put your stuff up, and go ride some slides, and before the lines get long for them, and then we just come back and chill in here. Just saying, we got the perfect seat over here. Tyler's getting his sunscreen put on. Still not crowded yet. I'm sure by the time we come back from riding some slides, it will be a little more crowded than this, but still perfect spot. Next up, Cutback water coaster. We didn't get to ride this last year when we were here, so we're riding it first thing. That's another tip before the line gets too long for it. We've walked right up. I'm out of breath, and we're fixing to get on. Change of plans on the Cutback. They were having some technical difficulties over there. We waited a few minutes, but we were afraid we were burning up our low wait times. So we headed over here to Aquazoid, which is another family raft ride.
Oh Lord.
It's a cold start.
Yeah, cold start. Very cold start. We am.
We are rocking in here.
Watch out. Woo! Alright, how's Aquazoid now?
I really like it. We've ridden it, I know, since they revamped it.
Yeah.
But
Amped.
I don't remember it being like,
I don't remember the music. Yeah, they rocking pretty good.
I love it.
Next up, Big Daddy Falls. Another good family raft ride. Here comes somebody. I'm gonna try to get him. Can I get him? Yeah, here we go.
Okay, I'm set. It takes a minute.
It don't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Alright.
You might just send it.
Just send it.
Just send it.
Alright.
Thank you. Woo! 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 Oh! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Slow down.
Yep. You think you're done,
But you're not.
but you're not done. Oh goodness.
Here we go.
Here we go. Have fun. Woo!
Here we go. Woo!
I'm going backwards. Next up, we're going to do Jet Scream. Now, this one is a single tube ride. Okay, there are 4 slides to choose from. I'm going to let Tyler take the GoPro with him because actually he usually gives the better ride on the single riders.
Ha 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 ha, y'all get to ride with me.
Then we got 4 slides to choose from.
And they're all actually, all 4 of them actually pretty good. I'm gonna race you. I'll beat you.
You ain't beating crap.
Huh.
There you go.
We'll see you. You'll be flipped over at the bottom in the pool.
Probably will.
See you at the bottom.
Alright, whenever y'all are ready, you're good to go.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh Lord. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Alright, y'all ready? Woo! You ready? Woo! Where you at? Where you at? You off. And flipped over. I didn't flip over, you flipped over.
I tell you what, when you hit those little rubber mats at the end, hold on, because you can flip, you're gonna flip.
Yeah.
The possibility of it anyway.
Nitro Racers.
Supercharged. It's supercharged now. It's not just Nitro Racers.
Yeah, so you got nitro and a supercharger. So you double.
And again, thank you Water Country and Busch Gardens for giving us these pass member rides.
Now they're even to be a pass holder.
Yep, it is.
Or pass member. There's the new car.
They added some mist on there.
Oh, look, look. Oh, look at this.
Oh, look, we got a victory lane.
Look at this.
Okay, who's getting... Okay, how do I look? Hold on. Hold on, hold on.
Yeah,
hold on.
step on that third one right there.
Hold on. How do I look?
You ain't even on the pedestal. Look, you're on the wrong one. You're supposed to be on that second one.
Oh, let me... No. No. How do I look?
You ain't gonna be there. Look,
is pretty
so
cool.
we've added times. So there is no discrepancy. We've added times to...
Yep.
This is the best of the day. I think I can beat a 701 to be honest with you.
Okay, well,
But
we'll see.
we'll see
Best
here.
time of the day so far is 7:01.
We got some new flags.
This looks great.
They
and
painted.
we got,
They,
look,
I
we
don't know if
got
y'all
the,
see it, but they painted the middle. Oh,
We
and
got the
the
times up
times
there.
on the board up there on the finish line. So
Okay.
I'm ready to go win. But
I
we
know.
can't. I don't think we can take a GoPro. So.
Yeah, we can't take the GoPro on this, but we will check in with you when I am in the
Yeah,
winner's
y'all will
circle,
see me on the
victory
number
lane
one.
here in just a minute. We'll check in with
Yeah.
you. Okay, so I did lose. All right, so I need to be in the number 2 spot. Tyler did get into victory lane with number 1. He made the time 8:10, which is 4th of the day so far, and he was just so sure he could beat the 7:01. So he went to try one more time, so I'm going to try to see if I can catch him coming down. Okay, I can see he's made his way up there. Let's see which lane he's gonna pick. He picked, we're in lane 2. Here he comes. He's racing himself, but he's just racing his time. Let's see if he can make it. Let's see what he can do. Let's see. Lane 2. It hadn't come up with your 8:33. 8:33. You got worse.
See, look, I gotta figure out where the timing system actually starts. Because I may be jumping over it.
All right. Well, we will try again tomorrow. You're not going to walk back up those steps, I'm sure, again now. So, but y'all, water country, great little redo of Nitro Racers here.
Hang on.
Love the theming. Okay, I said a minute ago that you were going to be in number 1. So, there you are, victory lane. All right, we are heading around, I think, for a bit to Hubba Hubba Highway. Well, that is about it for day 1 here. We've got another morning coming up tomorrow. We'll continue this video. I still got what we didn't ride today. Some of the raft rides we'll ride tomorrow, so stay tuned and we'll see you on day 2. We are back here at Water Country for the second day, and it's going to be one hot one today and one crowded one. What we did this morning, instead of starting over at Colossal Curl, because the park is actually already opened up by the time we got in, but we came straight back to Riptide Race. There's nobody back here, there's no line, so
get a race going.
That's what we're going to do first thing, and then go get our seats.
Riptide Race begins in an enclosed water flume, combining swift twists, rapid turns, and dueling side-by-side elements. Racing water slide.
All right, you're going down here in just a second.
Race
you can't even get in the tube.
Water flume.
I'm getting there.
Yeah, can't even get in the tube. You say I'm going down.
Are we ready?
Dueling side-by-side elements.
Ready, set,
Encounter.
Go.
No. We're gonna get her. Let's go. Where you at? I slowed down. No. We gotta make some time. Wait a minute. We gotta make some. Here we go. Woo! We won. Yeah.
Between 42 inches and 48 inches.
All right, you gotta hold on. You gotta hold on. Don't you cheat.
All
right, ready? Set. Go! Go! Woohoo! Woo! Where's he at? Did you see him?
No.
Did you see him? Woo! Oh God! Woo! Woo! He passed me. Woo! Where are you at? So we took you on 2 rides.
I won twice.
He won both times.
I had to run you down that second one.
We love this ride, or this slide.
Yes, slide.
But it does kind of lose momentum right after the first curve, and then you'll pick up again, and then it loses again. So that's kind of frustrating when you're as competitive as we are, because you're like, go, and it's not going. But y'all, fun little race slide. You kind of wind in and out like 1 minute. As you can see in the video, Tyler will be on one side of me, and then the next minute we've done looped around, crossed each other, and then we're on the other side. But a fun little race ride. It's a great addition to Water Country. Thumbs up. All right, now we're going to go on Cutback water coaster. This is a fun little water coaster. We tried to ride yesterday, but they had some technical difficulties. I just can't wait for that splash over my head.
On them steps, I bet y'all are hot.
It's gonna be hot today, I know.
Must be accomplished.
Cross your legs.
Okay.
Awesome. You ready?
Yep, we're ready. All right, y'all.
Enjoy.
Thank you. All right, this is gonna be cold, okay? Because I'm telling you. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo! Woo! Like right here, like right now, like now! Woo! And again right here! Okay, I don't know. All of my hair is probably like up at the
probably like the wettest water ride.
like once you go up the jets, it's like every bit of that water actually, ow, something bit me. Every bit of that water actually comes, bam, right over you. So fun ride. They added this, what, a few years ago.
About 3 years ago.
We've had it, but anyway, fun ride. Well, that closes out our two half-a-day visits here to Water Country, USA.
For 2024.
Yep, we've had a great time. We may make it back this summer, but I don't know. We got a bunch of other plans, so it's gonna be tough to make it back and make it to the water park. But we absolutely love this water park.
It's definitely a top 5 water park.
It is.
Probably a top 3 actually.
And happy 40th. I think I said that to begin with, but just in case I didn't, they are celebrating their 40 years this year. Thanks for joining us. I hope you have a great time if you plan a trip here to Water Country, but we do highly recommend it. So see you guys on the next one. Bye.